Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to withdraw your Mnemonics, okay, your NEMO. As you can see, the TGE is on 21st of November, okay, and the withdrawal option is open. So if you open your Mnemonics, you scroll down, you see this withdraw to exchange, okay. So now you can only withdraw to get.io. From 15th of November, you can withdraw to your Mexc, okay? They're going to divide your token into 50-50, okay? They're going to give you 50% of your token to your Mexc and 50% of your token to get.io, okay? So you need the two exchanges. So I'm going to paste the link, the exchange links, the get.io and the Mexc. I'm going to paste the link below this video. I'm also going to paste the invitation code below this video, okay? If you're registering, don't forget to use my invitation code. I'm also going to paste it in the comment section, okay? I'm going to pin it there, okay? So once you download your get.io, then you register and verify it with your ID card, okay? Verify it with your either your driver's license, your NIN, or your international passports, okay? So once your get.io is ready, then you come back to your Mnemonics account in Telegram, then you click on this withdraw to exchange, okay? So as you can see, get.io is open. Mexc is on 15th of November, okay? So you click on get.io, you click on this arrow here to withdraw. So since you have already registered and verified the account, once you click on withdraw, you are going to see yes, I have it. Just click on yes, I have it, okay? Click on yes, I have it. Then they ask you to paste your get.io UID, Mnemonics address, and memo, okay? So let me go to my get.io now. So as you can see, this is get.io, okay? So once you open your get.io, the first thing you need to do is to copy your UID, okay? So you click on this, your profile icon to copy your UID. See your UID here, just click on this copy icon to copy it, okay? So once you copy it, you paste it here, your UID, you paste it here, okay? So you come back to your get.io, you click on wallet, okay? You see this wallet here, you click on wallet. So you click on deposit. You click on on-chain deposit. You search for the name. See it here. NEMO. So guys, once you click on it, you allow it to load, okay? You allow it to load. It will load for 12 seconds. Then it will bring out your wallet address and memo, okay? So you copy this wallet address. Click on this copy icon to copy the wallet address. You go back to your Telegram and paste it where they ask you to paste wallet address. You copy the memo and go back to your Telegram and paste it where they ask you to paste your memo, okay? So let me do mine now. Okay guys, so I'm done copying and pasting my own. Don't forget, the first one is your get.io UID, okay? The second one is wallet address, and the third one is memo, okay? So once you are done, you click on send, okay? Click on send. So guys, once you click on send, it's going to roll and then it will send successfully. Then it will bring you here. You're going to see your details here, get.io details here. In case if you made a mistake, then you can also disconnect and do it again, okay? So 19th of November is for Mexc, okay? So they're going to give you 50% of your token to your get.io account, okay? And they're going to give you 50% of your token to your Mexc account, okay? Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share.